So guys, as you all can see that this is the box how the iPhone 11 Pro's box is going to be, and of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This box this time is of black color variant and not the white color variant. And again, when you open the box, you are getting the iPhone's back first. You're not going to be seeing its front side, but you're going, in this case you're going to be seeing its back side. The back side, again, there's one thing that really is a bit intimidating, or you can say confusing, that there is no sticker or there is no vinyl wrapping on the back side of the iPhone 11 Pro. There is only the film is only on the front side to peel it away, and nothing on the back, as it is frosted glass, and not again with the iPhone 11 even. The smartphone is really great, and not just that, I want to say, when you peel off the wrapper or the plastic, you're getting a gorgeous display. Again, just put a screen protector, and it is again mandatory for this display. In the box you're getting front is no AirPods. There are only Apple standard earbuds, which are of the lightning connector you get with the iPhone, just like any other iPhone XS or XS Max. And just you're getting here a 18-watt power charger, 18-watt fast charger with the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you're getting the small, just not practically functionless 5-watt charging adapter with the iPhone 11, which is of no use in 2019, as it is very slow and laggy. But just I want to say, the overall the smartphones, the iPhone's box is nothing different you're getting with this smartphone or with this iPhone. And it has a really nice beautiful display and nice frosted glass. Again, the green color is not quite the green color as you can see on the box. It is kind of a little bit more rich color, and the green color, as you can see on the Apple's iCard, as the green color is a little bit darker, but the iPhone 11's green color is not as dark. It's a little bit vibrant, and the green color on the iPhone 11 Pro is not any other green. It's kind of the grayish green. It has a very slight subtle green touch to it. Again, the smartphone, the iPhone 11's box, you're not getting a lot of accessories here, but still you're getting what you're paying for with this beautiful iPhone. And again, just I want to say, this color is a bit different. These were of the green colors. If there's going to be any other update, I will definitely cover that. And I just want to say, this green color actually looks quite a bit beautiful than what we have actually predicted earlier.